Hello guys, welcome to another video. It's me, Ethan, the Filipino boy. You know that, right? Uh, um, well, I am Filipino, but I don't really want to speak, Bisaya or Tagalog. So we're just here in the, Roa Garden. I bet y'all did not know that I play Grow. Oh my god, okay. I bet y'all did not know I play Grow a Garden, bro. But yeah, I'm doing the moon method right now. Remember the giveaway that I sent on my posts? Oh, a golden moon melon? Look, it's not here. um, yeah, I kinda got. Yeah, I'm not talk about it. So I guess the giveaway is and yay! There's a burnt mutation on that thing. Okay, anyways, what we're doing here is showcasing the what do you call it again? The cooked owl. But what does it do? Okay, so okay. Every 15 minutes or every 50 okay, every 14 minutes and 15 minutes there's a chance that it could cook nearby fruits, sometimes burnt. Oh my god, I like. Okay, and the cooked and burnt are like a 10 times multiplier. I don't know. And then just like the normal owls, it gains an additional 0.19 exp per second. At first, it's like only when you got it level 1, it's only like 0.5. No, not 0.5, like at 0.15 or 0.17. Since this one is like a level age 18 right now, so that's why it's 0.19. Yeah. Also, if I like make these shocked and celestial other mutations as well, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Just wait until it gets shocked and celestial. Because they said it did bring back the thingy. Yeah. And yeah. Also, yeah, this is worth 71 billion. I just gave one bear bee for God's sake, and then someone just gave me. Just look how much. Just look how much. How much is this worth? Bro, my stupid chat. Okay. How much is this worth? How much is this worth? 71 billion. There's a chance I would give away this like in the future, like probably next year, because I have to think about it still, because I really want to keep it, but at the same time I want to give it away, you know. So the leg, what the heck? Wait, yo, what the hell? Okay, so that's what we're just doing right now. We're just chilling in the server, maybe like what? Okay, was that? What? Yo, hold up. Did I just saw a fox? Two foxes actually, one dragonfly. What? Wait, hold up. Hey, EVR, can I offer? Can I offer 71 billion for your dragonfly? Oh my god, I lag. Can I give you something? I don't know if this is a fair trade, but uh, anyways, I'll just end the video in a bit. But like I said, I will, I'll try to give away some of these, including this rainbow. Yeah. Alright, bye bye guys. See ya and subscribe, share to your friends. and you better like. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, see ya.